Over the past 6 months, I've built a one-person AI creative studio that's making me between $5,000 and $10,000 per month using one tool. In this video, I'm going to show you how I went from being completely overwhelmed and anxious about AI creativity to building a business where I have complete creative control that actually pays the bills. So about a year ago, I was completely overwhelmed by AI. I'd come from a traditional production background. I'd built my own businesses. I had my own agency. I worked in Hollywood for a bit, and I ran my own creative studio, the space that I'm in now, where I hosted TV commercials, ad campaigns, social shoots, and short films for some big brands. But I was sick of the traditional production space. The amount of time, the budgets, the people, the mayhem, it was just a lot for me. And I realized that I needed to make a change in my career. And at the same time, AI was evolving at a rapid pace to the point where these new creative tools such as Midjourney, etc., were coming onto the scene, and they were becoming more and more usable. And I had this epiphany moment where I thought to myself, I'm either going to get replaced by this, or I'm going to have to change careers, or I'm going to have to reinvent myself creatively in some way. So it was about a year ago that I decided to jump into learning as much as I could about these new tools. And I did that. I went out and tried every tool under the sun, and new ones were getting dropped every week. And I found myself becoming overwhelmed, trying to understand how to use these tools. And a year ago, even 6 months ago, they aren't nearly as capable as they are today. So I found myself with 10 different subscriptions, trying to piece together a project using all of them with different aspect ratios, different styles, different workflows, and it was a complete mess. And back in May, I discovered Flora, which is an intelligent canvas that allows you to use the best text, image, and video models all in one place. And I found it and I was blown away because I realized I could cancel 10 plus subscriptions, have one subscription where I could essentially build my one-person creative studio from. And what I realized is that in order to create work that people are actually willing to pay for, work that isn't slop, that has the creative strategy behind it, that is led by me as the human, and allowing AI to do the grunt work and handle the output, I was able to grow my studio to the point where it's now sustainable. And I'm at a stage where it's hit a ceiling, where I need to kind of reinvent it, but that's not for the purpose of this video. I want to show you how you can build your own studio using Flora as your flagship tool. And whether or not you choose to use Flora, just how you can actually go out there, not only learn these tools, but build a portfolio and start selling your work in an afternoon if you really want to. What took me many months can literally be done in an afternoon, but at the same time, it can be done in a matter of weeks, which is probably more realistic. But exactly what that looks like is you're going to learn, build, and then sell. So learning these tools, if you're watching this, I'd like to think that you've at least started exploring AI creative tools, whether it's image generators, video generators, etc. So you have some understanding of how to use these. The great thing is, even if you're starting from scratch, you can learn them in an afternoon. And the reason I recommend Flora is that you can use every best model under the sun, whether it's Nano, Seedream, Flux, VO3, Sora 2, Hailuo, Kling, they are all there. And the beauty of it is that when you get stuck with one model, you can just try it with a different one, all within the same space. So if you can learn how to use these tools, and usually it's as simple as figuring out how to prompt them in a way where you get the result that you desire. But building and learning is the same thing, and that's the beauty of it. You could spend this afternoon building out a project with 4 or 5 different outputs, whether it's images or videos. You can then take that and upload it to social media, whether it's LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, etc., as a project that you've worked on. And you might have an audience, you might not, but by posting it and saying, this is what I've created, you not only position yourself as a creative expert doing whatever it is you've built, but you can potentially attract clients that way. And that's where I'm at now, where I build things, I share them, and I attract clients. And at the same time, I use platforms such as Upwork and Contra to find businesses and people who are already searching for AI creatives. They're looking for people to create AI visuals, social media content, ad campaigns, e-commerce ads. You would be shocked to know how many people want this. And it's not necessarily that they want AI. It's that they want to be able to create an ad campaign, a brand story, social content that 6 months, a year ago would have taken them a massive budget and weeks worth of time, which can now be done in a matter of hours, days, or at most weeks. So that's it in a nutshell in terms of how to build out your own studio. I'm going to go into so much more depth in the next few videos, helping you understand all the obstacles, because I really have simplified it here. But understanding that a one-person studio is possible and how you can get it to a few $1,000s a month sustainably with literally just 2 or 3 or 4 clients. I'm going to be breaking down exactly how I went about it, how I found clients, how I share my work, and essentially helping you to do the same. Figure out what your creative source is, looking at your experience, your passions, and figuring out how you can essentially bring your creative vision to life, whether that's through a business, a studio, or just telling your own stories. So I hope this has been somewhat useful, at the very least, just to give you an idea of what is possible. If you'd like to give Flora a try, you can click down below and clone my workflows. I am a creative partner of Flora, so I get a little kickback on that, which really helps the channel, but it also gives you a 25% discount if you choose to pay for Flora. At the same time, if you are serious about learning AI creativity and you want to build your own one-person AI creative studio, head to escapism.ai and sign up for my free newsletter. Thank you for watching.